Kelly Rowland has always represented confidence to me. But behind this glam, I need to tell you about the jealousy I faced and how it shaped who I am today.
All right, y'all. We're finna do my twin, Miss Kelly Rowland. I love me some Kelly Rowland. We're gonna get started. Let me get myself together. Good morning. I'm struggling this morning. Okay, there we go. Okay, now we finna get into it. All right. Hello, my transformation. In today's video, I'm gonna be recreating the beautiful Miss Kelly Rowland, and I guess it's kind of like a rose gold color. The makeup products I will be using in this video, I'm going to be using my new colorful rainbow 117 color eyeshadow palette, my Fenty Beauty Fuchsia Flex, my glitter eyeshadow palette, mascara, and my BB cream. So these are all the products and I'm going to be using in today's video. Okay, so let's get started with the brows. The first one of the brows, I'm going to be using the pomade. I'm using in the color Espresso. Okay, I want to talk about being a young Black woman growing up, and it's really hard, especially, you want to level up and you have people that don't want to see you level up, unfortunately. And that's the sad thing about life in reality. And then sometimes you feel like you don't belong. And that's how I feel, because a lot of people don't care about my feelings, thinking that I am a villain, that I did something to them, or I am a mean person and I'm not a mean person. A lot of people like to use aggression towards you. People are really messy and miserable because they don't have a lot going on themselves. All my life, growing up, I was the chubby one, right? And I was picked on in school of the way how I dressed. And that was just jealousy. I went through a lot, and a lot of people won't understand that people probably feel like I'm stuck up. I'm not a stuck up person at all. I stay to myself. And the thing about it, people want me to run them up for me. And I feel like sometimes, I'll be like, is this my family or what? And get some take to my family or friends or whatever. It's to be by myself. And then people try to be funny, say, oh, you must don't have friends. You feel sorry for me. I don't want that fake. Back in 2021, I kept it a secret for a couple of months. I didn't want nobody to know it. My mom didn't know about it till she came across it. And she was like, what you was doing? A lot of people didn't encourage me. A lot of people always made fun of me. And they just always used to say, oh, you're not going to be about nothing. You're not going to do that. And I just want to show and prove that I can do something. And I feel like it was a sign from God to create my own YouTube channel. And with a lot of people say that it's going to be a lot of people going to be against you. It can be your own family, your friends, and everything. Yep, you have side. And then they'll say, oh, she this and that. You don't support me at all. And I don't know what it is. Y'all feel like y'all too good for me. That's how I feel. Y'all can't talk about me. But the thing is, when people get jealous because they can't find a way to mess you up, that's the thing about being, especially a Black woman, give in and you don't do certain things, they get mad with you. And you just don't know that people be right there talking about you behind your back and wishing negativity that you fail and you won't progress in life. And that's the honest truth, that people do not want you to progress. And I had to learn that, and I'm still learning each and every day. But with my experience, I'm using my mascara, L'Oreal. And it's sad because it's like being a Black woman in this so-called America, which I call the divided states. You have to be careful. I'm using my BB cream, Misha, and 41 medium tan. It makes me think, it's like, what's the purpose? Y'all don't want me to be at things. You don't want me to be invited to certain things, like I'm a star or something. And that's not the case. And it's sad because it's like, I feel like at times, being a young Black woman, I'm living upon jealousy. Be proud of myself and celebrate. But I'm at a moment in my life, I'm not able to do all of that because I'm still figuring myself out. I'm trying to get myself emotionally, mentally, financially, under control. And look at you and I go about my business. I'm not finna kiss no butt. I don't do that because, and then, people want to know about your business or be in your pockets because they want to see if they are better than you or they can do better than you, in other words. And that's what's been happening to me, that a lot of people feel like they can use me for certain things and they can't. I had to set up boundaries, and they felt a certain type of way because they feel like on my job, I run it. No, I help people, I know people, but that's not, the beauty supply store is not my place. That's a place for me to help people, but I can't just say, yeah, you can return this, you can do that. Hardships of being a Black woman. A lot of people would tell you, oh, you need to move up. How you gonna tell me? I have done that so many times, and a lot of people act so stupid, especially females. Oh, I'ma help you, I'ma do this and that. I don't hear nothing from no one, and I get tired of people saying that, oh, you need to move up, you need to do this and that. You're not trying to help me. You just running your mouth because you just want to make yourself feel good. You're not trying to help me. And then a lot of people say, well, you got to help yourself. I do help myself. I have been applying to places because nobody else not trying to help me. So I don't get that with people. Then when you do like these content creators as well, they always want money out of it. I don't have the money for you, babes. I'm trying to survive myself. And then they're like, oh, well, I can't help you. Well, you wasn't trying to help. You just trying to get some money anyway. And I hate that people look up to these people. I'm not a content creator. I mean, I know I'm in the category of it, but I'm a real person. I'm not fake, and they hardtail. Yeah, some of them probably work a 9 to 5, but at the end of the day, they was getting money from you all, from YouTube. And people think that it's easy, and it's not easy. You don't have good people around that want to see you prevail, do good. In other words, I had a lot of people that came in my life, male and female, pretend that they was going to help, or I know what you can do, and then they turn on you and people start acting differently. But I don't know. I feel like maybe I am a chosen one, and I have this big light, and people, the darkness is attracted to light. I'm gonna use this brown lip liner, but I feel like every time I have a glow that I want to see you shine, and sometimes it don't be your own people, it be the people who don't know you and you don't open up, they get intimidated by you. Fenty, Fuchsia Flex, and they get upset that you're not like other people, but they still try to find a way to bust your bubble. That's how people are. Unfortunately, I've been through a lot. I have seen a lot, and I've been through so much. Nobody don't know what I've been through, but people will watch you, try to destroy you, and talk about you because you're being honest and open about yourself. I just stay away because negative energy doesn't mix with good energy. But I hope you guys did enjoy my Kelly Rowland inspired glam. Thank you guys so much. I will see you guys. I put me in this position because he knows that I can really do my big one, and he knows that I have a different mindset, and he knows where I'm going in life. Keep your head up. Never let anyone doubt you, your dreams. Keep pushing, keep motivating yourself, and wherever God have in store, he will bring it to you.
If this story resonated with you, you're not alone. Subscribe because this channel is for grown women healing, glowing, and becoming. And don't forget to watch my other celebrity makeup tutorials. And also, comment down below who you guys would like to see me do next.